Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel AI Moms. If you've ever designed something in Canva or another platform and wondered how to make the template link sellable, this is exactly what today's video is all about. Which means you have created your beautiful design in Canva, and you'll need to sell the link. And therefore, you need to extract and share it in order to make money from it. So, for example, let's dive in. So for example, you have purchased some digital product in my Etsy shop just like here. You'll find the link to my shop down below. My shop contains lots of digital products with master resale rights and private label rights, which means you can resell them as is or rebrand. You can change anything and sell those. You can even resell them with master resale rights and private label rights too. Let's look further. You go to the section MRR and PLR and choose whatever digital product you want. The wedding all-in-one bundle is constantly really popular. Let's say you purchase it and went to checkout. Paid for it. Etsy sent you the link to my file usually within seconds, which contains all the template links I am offering in this wedding bundle. And then you open up your purchased file, which would look like this. In this case, you go to the second page and would like to open the template wedding binder. You click on it, and the Canva template is going to pop up. You click on this button, Edit Template. By the way, all of our designs work in Canva free accounts. You don't need a Canva Pro account. Let's continue. So, in case you want to sell it as is, which you can do with the master resale rights that are included automatically, you can leave it and sell it as is, or you can also make some changes and adjustments. Here, as you can see, this is a layover. You can position it to back, and afterward you can write anything on top, which I don't want right now, but you could change names. You can basically do whatever you want with it. Let's say you're happy with your design and you want to sell it like this. The way it works is, you go to Share, hit Template Link, Copy, and then you could create a thank you page. To save yourself time, you have the option to purchase a thank you page in my shop. I'll include the link to this product in the description below too. You can get it immediately. I provide you with everything you need for your business. Let me walk you through real quick. Just go to my shop and insert here, thank you page. And there it is. You could purchase this one if you need it. If you are good at designing in Canva, you can make your own, of course. Let's say you've got mine, this is what it would look like. Then, you decide quickly which page you prefer. This one, or this. You can also make some changes depending on what you are offering. Just as an example, let's make some changes. And let's say you want to copy this cell phone and put it right next to the computer. You can do that. Just like that. Let's put the tablet also next to the computer. Okay, just copy paste. I work a lot with shortcuts. You can also do it this way, like right mouse click, copy, go to your designs, page, paste. Just like that. It is just to give you an idea of how it could look. Of course, you can do anything you prefer. Position to back. You can do it just like that. Alright. Let's say you're happy with that. You go down here and double click Access Products, and then you click on the link. And if you insert the very link you copied before from the wedding binder, if you go to Share and then go to Template Link, if it does not appear over here, it is probably here. You go to see all of the options and then it will appear here somewhere on the top. Anyway, you hit Template Link, hit Copy, go back to the thank you page. Right. Do you remember? You have to double click here Insert your link and hit done. And there it is. What is important now is you go to Share, Download, and you choose from the options not the PNG, but the PDF print. Tick Current Page, because this is the only thing you need right now. If you want to share multiple links for multiple products in the thank you page, of course you can. Include one link on each of the pages or all in one. But this time, I only need this page, so I hit Current Page. Done. Download. Wait a second for it to download. Alright. So this is how it's gonna pop up on my computer. In my PDF program, Adobe. Basically, this is what your customer would get if you uploaded it to Etsy, a PDF file, because you cannot share links on Etsy. You need to share a file. Let me quickly show you how to do it. You have your file here, which is the thank you page. And over here is your link. If you hit that, you will go directly to the Canva template. Alright. Let me show you how it would look in my shop. Let's say I want to edit this one. And over here, you add the file and upload your thank you page. This is what the customer is going to get whenever they purchase your digital product. Alright. So now you know how to generate the Canva template link and make it sellable. Let me know in the comments if you have further questions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell for more tips and insights on running your own online business. Do you have other questions or topics you'd like me to cover? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And remember to enroll in my free online business blueprint online course to help you achieve financial independence while spending more time on what truly matters, your family. See you in the next video. Bye for now. And thanks for watching.